Contingent dissolution. Subject to contract between the partners, the firm may or may not dissolve under the circumstances on expiry of fixed period for which the firm was formed, on completion of the project for which the firm was formed, on death of a partner, on insolvency of any partner. Dissolution by notice. When the partnership is at will, the firm may be dissolved by any partner giving notice in writing to all the other partners of his intention to dissolve the firm. The firm is dissolved from the date mentioned in the notice. If no date is mentioned, it dissolves from the date of communication of the notice. Dissolution by the court. The court decides about the dissolution of the firm if there is dispute among the partners regarding the dissolution. For example, when a partner becomes insane and some partners are willing to continue while others insist on the dissolution of the firm, the court may dissolve a firm on any of the following grounds on a suit filed by any of the partners. Insanity, it can be a reason. When a partner becomes insane, the court may allow dissolution of the firm. However, temporary sickness is no ground for the dissolution of the firm. Permanent incapacity. When partners become permanently incapable of performing one's duties as a partner, the court may order dissolution of the firm. Misconduct. When partner is guilty of misconduct which is likely to adversely affect the reputation of a firm, the court may dissolve the firm. For example, a partner travels without ticket. Breach of agreement. When a partner commits breach of agreement relating to the management of the affairs of the firm, the court may dissolve the firm. For example, a partner takes away books of the accounts or uses firm's money for private debts, etc. Transfer of interest. When a partner transfers whole of his interest in the firm to a third party without consent of the other partners, the court may dissolve the firm. Just and equitable. When on any other ground the court considers it just and equitable that the firm should be dissolved, the court may dissolve the firm. For example, if the partners are not on speaking terms with each other, with one another, well, the court may just dissolve it on the grounds just and equitable. What are the consequences of dissolution? There are many consequences of the dissolution. The partners on dissolution. The partners of the dissolved firm continue to be liable to third party for all acts done in connection with the affairs of the firm until a public notice is given for the dissolution. But estate of a partner who dies or becomes insolvent or a sleeping partner who retires is not liable for acts done after the date on which he ceases to be a partner. Application of property. On dissolution of a firm, every partner or his representative is entitled to have the property of the firm sold and proceeds applied to repay outside debts and liabilities of the firm and to distribute surplus among the partners or their representative in accordance with their rights. Continuing authority. After the dissolution of the authority, each partner continues to wind up the affairs of the firm and to complete unfinished transactions at the time of the dissolution. Personal profit. Sometime dissolution of a firm, a partner buys goodwill of the firm. In such case, in, he has the right to use the firm's name and earn the personal profits. Demand and premium. When a partner has paid the premium on entering into the partnership for a fixed period, the firm is dissolved before the expiration of the term, well, he can claim it. Well, next, there can be a case of fraud or misrepresentation or the firm's name or the property. And then there can be settlements of the accounts on the dissolution. There are modes of settlements of the accounts on dissolution. They can share the deficiency. There can be an application of the assets, there can be payment of the debts, and there can be sale of the goodwill. Well, the partners may opt some of them or all of them with the consent of the partners, and this is how it will move along. There are many more things when we talk about partners, but in fact, we put an end to it as we go to the next series of tutorials and voiceover. Prepare for commerce. We'll undertake another series of tutorials and voiceover when we talk on the caption of commerce. Bye bye for the time. Take care. Bye.